Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to block someone in Snapchat using your mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to your Snapchat application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Snapchat, go to message below, click this, and okay, you can see your friend on Snapchat. Okay guys, I blocked this my friend. So okay, to block this person, you all have to do is press the friend you want to block. So after you press, the pop-up below are show, and okay, after that click more, and another pop-up below, and you can see the block button. All you have to do is click block, and the pop-up will show, and are you sure you want to block this person or this friend on your Snapchat? So okay, you have to do is click block. Okay guys, that's it, your friend are blocked. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, thank you for watching.